This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Saturday, the 23rd of September. I'm Michael Groff. Cool weather about a month early here in the valley for this first full day of fall. High temperatures, well, we hit 90 yesterday. We won't even be there today. Low to mid 80s. Pretty much the same thing for tomorrow. We will start a warming trend on Monday that should continue for much of the week. And we do have a bit of model madness to talk about as well. So a lot going on. Let's talk about it as we look outside this morning here at 7:35 a.m. Beautiful start to the day at Sky Harbor. Sunny skies, 68 degrees right now, dew points at 35, humidity 30%. The winds are calm and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, 54 Buckeye, 59 Litchfield Park in Glendale, 58 in Gilbert, and a lot of us are in the low and middle 60s across the metro. And look at this, on the water vapor satellite view, a big cold upper trough here in the west with a big ridge in the east. And that's helping to pull down some nice cool air and dry air around here as well. And that's going to help us cool off a lot tonight. Freeze warnings across northern Arizona, up around Flagstaff. Also freeze warnings for parts of Nevada, California, Idaho, Oregon. And we even have some winter weather advisories, still some snowflakes flying around out there because of this trough. The rest of the country, very quiet this morning. The tropical storm warnings that we had in New England have since been dropped. So, what's left of Jose, just a remnant low spinning around off the coast now. On the convective outlook, a marginal risk of severe storms today from West Texas through central Minnesota. And here's the latest on Maria. Still a Category 3 hurricane, maximum sustained winds 120 miles per hour, moving north, pulling away from the Turks and Caicos. And it should stay between the east coast of the United States and Bermuda. This should become a fish storm after a while, not affecting anybody whatsoever. Looks like it will spare the Outer Banks of the Carolinas, and the official track from the Hurricane Center starts to turn it toward the northeast by the middle and latter part of the upcoming week. Still some high surf and dangerous rip currents for the east coast of the United States, though, so can't let your guard down regarding that system, and we're going to still keep our eye on it. All right, let's go to the models now and talk about our weather in more detail. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. This is the view across North America up there at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet in the atmosphere. Big ridge in the east, big cold trough out here in the west. And for today, sunny skies, maybe a bit of a breeze this afternoon. Highs low to mid 80s. These are normally temperatures that we'd see in late October. So that's a nice refreshing change. Tonight, clear, lows in the mid 50s in the cold spots, mid 60s in the urban core. Tomorrow, sunny, highs 85 to 88. Now, this run of the GFS is definitely an outlier, and I hesitated to even show it to you, but we're going to go through it anyway. Understand that the forecast for this upcoming week still hasn't changed, and I'm not changing my forecast thinking right now. We're going to go with dry weather Monday through Friday. Highs on Monday about 90, and we'll warm to the mid and upper 90s on Friday as ridging builds in. But let me show you what the GFS has in store for us this week. On Monday, it shows some energy closing off from the trough as it departs the area, forming a cutoff low that begins to deepen on Tuesday. This would keep temperatures a bit cooler than what we're currently forecasting, highs upper 80s and low 90s, with moisture beginning to move northward. By Wednesday, it shows widely scattered showers and thunderstorms beginning to develop as moisture continues to flow northward, mainly for the rim country. On Thursday, scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially northern Arizona, but even here in the valley, we'd have a chance of rain if this were to verify. But again, this is an outlier solution. This is a curveball. Even the OZ run was not this aggressive, but we've seen the idea of a cutoff low on the GFS before. We'll see if this starts to a trend on the other models, the 12Z Euro, and certainly follow-up runs of the GFS and some of the ensemble members, but I don't think so. Still looks like a dry week ahead. Here's Friday. It still shows scattered showers and thunderstorms across northern and eastern Arizona, maybe a slight chance of storms in the valley if this were right, but I do not think this will verify. And the madness continues even as we go to a week from today. This is Saturday, the 30th of September, the last day of the month, still showing low pressure hanging around the southwest. Same for Sunday, the 1st of October, and even the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Monday the 2nd. Although this is starting to come into better agreement with the Europeans, showing troughing beginning to develop out in the west and ridging building in the east again. So we'll see, but I don't think we're going to have any rain this upcoming week. I think we're going to just go with a forecast that is a gradual warming trend Monday through next weekend. Highs getting back to near and even slightly above normal levels by Thursday, Friday, into next weekend, and conditions should remain dry. But we'll keep this in mind. This is certainly something that could start a trend, but for now, it is clearly an outlier solution. Let's look at temperatures coming off of the GFS ensemble. This looks a little bit more in line with where we're going with the forecast. Highs, of course, below normal the next few days, and then we'll gradually warm it back up. As you know, it's still September here in Phoenix, so conditions are still generally going to be warm during the day and a bit cool at night. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video comes back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe to us so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, enjoy it. Get out there. Take in the beautiful weather, and we'll see you again tomorrow.